Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best shirt tags is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of a great shirt. But trust me, the right shirt tag can elevate your brand and provide a premium feel. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of shirt tags, exploring different materials, printing techniques, and design considerations to help you choose the perfect tags for your apparel line. Number 5. Avery 6732 marking tags with string attached. These tags have a smooth surface, perfect for writing. It makes labeling gifts and products easy to read and understand. Made with medium weight stock, these tags are durable. They are suitable for various occasions and labeling needs. At 1.75 by 1.09 inches, it offers enough space while remaining compact. This size is ideal for various uses, from clothing to product tags. The tags come in a reusable container. This helps keep them organized and ready to use for any event. Each tag has a white string attached. This makes it easy to attach them to gifts, products, or favors. What we like? These tags are made with medium weight stock, making them durable for various uses. The smooth surface makes it easy to write on, saving you time. If you are looking for a simple and reliable solution for labeling gifts or products, this is a great choice. What people say. The tags are easy to use. The tags are very durable. The tags are a great value. Number 4. ExcelMark magnetic name tag holders with 3 magnets. Introducing the ExcelMark magnetic name tag holders. This is a premium quality solution for displaying your name tags or badges. It's designed for convenience and durability. Each set includes 10 magnetic badge holders. They are made with high-quality materials to ensure they last. You can rely on them for everyday use. These holders feature 3 extra strong neodymium magnets. They provide a secure hold, so your badge stays in place. You don't have to worry about it falling off. The 2-piece design includes a front magnetic plate with adhesive backing. It's easy to attach your name tag or ID. Simply peel and stick. These holders are perfect for various settings, including offices, schools, and craft projects. They are a practical solution for many different needs. It's a great choice for anyone. The dimensions are 1 to 3/4 inches long, 1 2-inch wide, and 1 4-inch thick. Its compact size makes it discreet and comfortable to wear. It won't get in the way. What we like? This product features a magnetic badge holder with an adhesive fastener, making it easy to attach to clothing without damaging it. The strong magnets ensure a secure hold. If you are looking for a convenient and damage-free way to display name tags or badges, this is the perfect option. What people say. The tags are well made and the printing is clear. The tags are easy to attach and the size is perfect for my needs. The tags are durable and have held up well through multiple washes. Number 3. Avery rectangle printable tags. These tags are pre-punched with holes and include strings. It's quick and easy to attach them to products, bags, gifts, and more. Easily customize these tags with your own text and graphics. You can also create custom tags using Avery design and print with available templates. The blank gift tag sheets feature sure feed technology. This helps minimize misalignment and paper jams, ensuring a smooth printing experience. Create professional-looking, double-sided custom tags. The print-to-the-edge feature allows for full bleed designs that extend to the very edge. Make your product stand out with a polished, high-quality presentation. These hang tags are optimized for both laser and inkjet printers, providing crisp and smudge-free printing results. What we like? These tags are printable and come with strings, offering a convenient all-in-one solution. You can easily personalize them with your own text and graphics. If you like creating custom tags with a professional look, this is ideal for you. What people say. The tags are exactly what I needed for my shirts. The tags are great quality and look very professional. The tags are easy to attach and the printing is clear and legible. Number 2. Mr. Pen Tagging Gun Kit for Retail. This kit includes a tagging gun, 1008 fasteners, and 5 needles. You won't need to buy extra supplies for a while. It's a complete solution for your tagging needs. The tagging gun is made of high-quality materials. It's designed for both professional and personal use, ensuring it lasts. This lightweight gun makes tagging quick and easy. The ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, reducing hand fatigue during use. It's perfect for attaching labels to various items like clothes, toys, and bags. Ideal for shops, boutiques, and online sellers. The tagging gun is designed for use with many fabrics, including cotton and denim. However, avoid using it on delicate materials like silk. What we like. This product includes a tagging gun, making it easy to attach tags to clothing and other items. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use, even for extended periods. If you are a retailer or online seller looking for an efficient tagging solution, this is a must-have. What people say. The tags are easy to use. The tags are very durable. The tags are a great value. Number 1. FEMELI 1000 PCS price tags. These price tags offer ample space for writing prices or item numbers. The size is 1.75 by 1.1 inches, providing enough room for clear labeling. This makes it easy to quickly mark your items. Designed with a 1/8-inch pre-cut hole, this product works seamlessly with tagging guns and barbs. The needle and barbs insert easily, making the tagging process efficient and straightforward. The tags are sturdy and durable, remaining intact even when pulled. The smooth surface ensures easy and quick labeling. It is designed to withstand handling and maintain its appearance. Perfect for various items, including clothes, shoes, and jewelry. You can use it for sales, storage, or even decoration. It is a versatile solution for all your labeling needs. Each pack includes 1,000 marking tags, providing plenty for your needs. This ensures you have enough labels for yard sales or consignment sales. It is a convenient and cost-effective solution. What we like. These tags provide enough space for writing prices or item numbers. The pre-cut hole makes it easy to attach to items. If you have a yard sale or consignment sale and need a simple and effective way to label your merchandise, you should consider this. What people say. The tags are very easy to use. The tags are well made and durable. The tags are a great value for the price. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.